Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp in laptop with PIN. So, let's get started. First, log into your WhatsApp account. Once you're in, you'll see the main page. Now, look at the bottom left corner and click on the settings, and click on privacy. Next, scroll all the way down until you see the option called screen lock. Go ahead and click on it. From this page, you can easily enable screen lock. Once it's turned on, you'll need to set up a password. This means every time you want to use WhatsApp, you'll have to enter your password to unlock it. Also, when screen lock is enabled, your WhatsApp web notifications will not appear while it's locked, which adds extra privacy. Now, type in the password you want to use. After that, click on OK. Here you'll also see an option to choose a time duration. You can set it to 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. For example, if you set it to 1 minute and you don't use WhatsApp for a minute, it will automatically lock itself. Then, you'll need to re-enter your password to access it. Let's go ahead and set it to 1 minute for this demo. Now, if I close this tab and open WhatsApp again, it immediately asks me to enter the password. Once I type it in, I can access my chats again. And that's it. That's how you can easily lock WhatsApp on your laptop for better privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.